Today we're making a proper vanilla custard. Hi everyone, welcome to Black Cat Kitchen. I hope you're doing well. Custard is one of those beautiful dishes. Nope. What is custard? Custard is one of those beautiful things that just livens up any dessert. And it's so easy to make, so let's jump right into it. See the description below for a list of ingredients. Into a heavy-bottom saucepan goes 65 milliliters of whole milk and 250 milliliters of heavy cream. Turn the heat to medium. Cut your half a vanilla bean lengthwise and scrape out all of those beautiful beans. Put the beans and the pod into your cream and milk mixture. Into a bowl, add 3 egg yolks and 50 grams of castor sugar or superfine sugar. We're going to whisk these together until the egg yolks become pale and thickened for about 2 minutes. Your egg and sugar mixture should leave a ribbony trail when you lift your whisk up. Once your cream and milk mixture is steaming and hot, remove the vanilla bean and take it off the heat to cool just for a few minutes. Now we're going to temper our eggs by slowly adding in some of our cream to our egg mix. Make sure you're whisking constantly and add a little bit of the cream at a time. This helps your eggs to slowly come to the temperature of the cream without scrambling. Now this mixture goes back into our pan over medium-low heat. We're now going to cook this for about 5 to 8 minutes, stirring constantly until it coats the back of the spoon. Once the mixture coats the back of a spoon, take it off the heat and pour it through a mesh sieve into a bowl. It will thicken as it cools. And that's our beautiful custard ready for serving. This custard goes perfectly with sticky toffee pudding. Find my perfected recipe here. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, likes are free. We'd love if you comment down below and make sure to subscribe. We'll see you next time.